Hello, my name is Carter Johnson and my company is Baller Developers. This company is a personalized one-on-one soccer training company. Every session is personalized to the individual's needs, meaning we will work to make an individual's weaknesses strong and improve upon strengths. To make things easier for our customers, we go to them and use our own equipment. As for our company goals, our goal is to elevate the play for each athlete, leading them to a better club team, high school team, college team, or even professional team. And our ultimate goal is to build young athletes to gain confidence and new ability on the field and help them apply it to their daily lives. As for what makes our company unique, our prices are far lower as we charge $10 a session while our competitors are charging $40 to $70. We also come to you, making our service convenient for the customer. Our flexible schedule makes it easy to meet with customers. Lastly, our two coaches pictured on this slide have played at the club, college, and professional levels, meaning that they have experience on their side. In this picture, Coach Danny led a team to the Vegas Cup Championship and winning it. Coach Carter led the team to winning it. As for the 4-week trial period, what we have found to be successful is retaining customers, having a net profit of over $100, and achieving customer satisfaction. What could be done differently is working more with customers we had rather than looking for new ones, leading to getting the most out of each customer. What we should have done is make designated areas to train at, as it was oftentimes hard to find a field in a customer's area. And as we look over the profit and losses of this 4-week trial period, being a two-man show and having the equipment already paid off, the P&L was pretty simple as there were minimal expenses. We had a total revenue of $130 and only had to pay $10 for fuel, and we had a customer not pay us, leading to bad debt. We had a total net profit of $110. As for future projections of the company, based on what we have experienced in the first 4 weeks, it looks like we will receive 1 new customer a week and losing 1 every 4 weeks, leading to 3 new customers every 4 weeks. Our plan is once we hit 15 customers, we'll be looking to bring a new coach onto our team. Lastly, why should you invest? We have new equipment, and your investment will be used to bring more coaches into the business, bringing the investor a return as we grow as a company. Through our first 4 weeks, we had an 84.62% retained earnings. They will be used to help the business grow. As our athletes grow and become better, you will see that our service is working, and the service will attract more customers as we find success.